Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a simple way of cooking pork asado. Pork asado is a sweet and savory pork dish that can be used as a filling for pies, empanadas, steamed buns, taro puffs, or simply enjoyed with rice. Let's get started. Use 500 grams of pork loin. Slice pork into small cubes. Marinate with 1 tablespoon each of cornstarch and chicken powder, a half tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, a half tablespoon fish sauce, a half teaspoon of 5-spice powder, and some ground white pepper. Mix well, and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. When you are ready to cook, heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. Sauté diced onion. Add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Add the marinated pork. When the meat have browned a bit, add half to 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 3/4 cup of water. Once it comes to a boil, cover pan with a lid, and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes over low heat. The pork is now tender, and the liquid have been reduced. Taste and adjust seasoning if you need to. It's done. Thanks for watching.